Hey fellow scholars, this is Sherri Tech. This reading session presents a collaborative language model published by Meta and a few other universities. Writing involves a collaborative process. The content usually starts with an initial draft, then asks for suggestions, and repeatedly makes changes. Most of the state-of-art language models are trained to generate just the final text. Consequently, they lack several abilities to update existing text, plan updates, and explain their actions. This paper presents a collaborative language model that can write drafts, add suggestions, propose edits, and provide explanations. The paper is evaluated on multiple downstream tasks, specifically grammatical error correction, sentence simplification, editing intention, biased word removal, and sentence insertion for additional context. The paper achieved 12% performance improvement compared to state-of-the-art language models in the task of document edits. Its performance in the news and wiki domains is 2 times better than the other domains, and its performance is drastically improved when there are plans and reference documents that provide complementary information. So how does it work? This follows the collaborative process mentioned before. Either the user or the model specify a plan describing the action they want to be performed. The action is realized by means of an edit. The model explains the edit in natural language and by pointing to relevant sources. The process is repeated until the generated text requires no further updates. For the current version of the text, assuming we have a set of documents containing background information, the model formulates a plan that outlines a rough idea of how the text should be modified. The edit intention is in the form of a verbal command such as fixing grammar errors. Then, the model performs the actual edit to update the current version of the text. After the edit can be clarified by providing a textual explanation. This explanation can facilitate evaluating the quality of the edit. The data for training comes from the edit history on Wikipedia and other platforms. To ensure the model generalizes to other domains, multiple model instances are trained to learn different parts of the edit process. Specifically, there are 4 T5 models in total. The first model learns to plan and make edits given the input text and documents. The second model learns to undo latest edit given the previous edit plan and documents. The third model learns to provide explanations given the previous and current text versions and documents. The last model learns to generate documents that provide useful background information for edit given the previous and current text versions along with edit plans. The undo model is used to generate synthetic data. Given a piece of text without edit history, the undo model generates the previous version of the text until arriving at some basic text. This way, Wikipedia is not the sole source of training data. Other data sources can also be part of the training set. The review community praised the model's interpretability and self-training approaches. However, the paper is criticized for the setting of the experiment. Namely, the plan is defined as short text sequence-like instruction, which does not clearly describe which parts should be edited, which may put burden on the design of instructions. This works for the context of the paper because the focus is on paragraph-level edits given that the text will not exceed a certain length. However, as noted by the author, the full document edit task is an exciting problem for future work. This concludes the reading session for this video. Does this get your mind going? Let me know in the comments below.